Hi, third graders. Welcome back to another Richmond math lesson. My name is Mrs. Yeager, and today we're doing Unit 8, Lesson 8. I can match thermometers to the corresponding temperature in a numerical form. But first, let's have our joke. How do you talk to a giant? Give up. Use big words. How silly. The materials you're going to need today are game cards that are in the Richmond Math packet, paper and pencil. Okay, let's go through our learning target again. I can match thermometers to the corresponding temperature in numerical form. Okay, so we're just matching what we see on the thermometer to the numbers. So here's one of the cards, and I see this on the side, and first I need to know what increments it is. So I'm going to get my pointer here, and let's count. Let's see. You think it's by ones or by twos? Let's try. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I see it's in ones, increments of 1. I also need to pay attention to the unit. It is in Celsius. So now, looking at this, what do you think the temperature is on this thermometer? Point to it. Did you say 29 degrees Celsius? Very good. All right, let's look again at this one. Oh, I see it looks like it's in ones again, because I could say 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So now, oh, but it's in Fahrenheit this time. So look very carefully and point to what you think this thermometer reads. Did you point to 70 degrees Fahrenheit? Awesome. All right, let's look at this one. This is a circular thermometer that we've talked about. I see that it is in Celsius, and it looks like it's a very cold temperature. So what do you think it is? Are you ready to point? Point to the card that you think this temperature is. 0 degrees Celsius, and it is a very cold temperature. All right, now, just for fun, we're going to do a word problem. And remember that in a word problem, we use the RDW to find the answer. So the first one says to read. So read along with me as I read it. The temperature was 48 degrees Fahrenheit in the morning and 73 degrees Fahrenheit in the afternoon. What was the difference between the morning and afternoon temperatures? Okay, so I understand that there was a change in temperature. So the second step is D, which means to draw. And so I'm going to change to the pen, and I'm going to make a vertical thermometer. And whoops, that's crazy. Which would be the low temperature? 48 degrees, right? And what would be the higher temperature? 73. And it says, what was the difference between the morning and afternoon temperatures? So what would you want to do? You could add but I would have something like this where 48 plus something equals 73. What else could I do? I could use the inverse, and I could say 73 minus 48 would get me the answer. Okay, so now let's solve this. So can I take, I'm going to start in the ones column. Can I take 3 away from 8? No, I cannot. So where can I get some more ones? I can take one group of 10 from the tens column. So this will become 6, and I'm going to add that group of 10 to the ones. So this will become 13. Now I can solve it. 13 minus 8 is 5. Good job. 6 minus 2 is 2. Fabulous. So that's my answer. But you know what? I like to check it. And I could check it using this, the addition problem. But this time I'm going to put that 25 with the 48. So let's check it this way. And we'll say 48, because that's what we had up here, plus 25. And 8 plus 5 is 13. I'm going to put down the 3 and carry that one group of 10. And 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 2 more is 7. Beautiful. Now, there are other strategies I could have used, but this is the traditional algorithm. I wanted to try, whoops, sorry. So the last step is to write, okay? So where is my answer? I've got all kinds of numbers all over. My answer is 25. So now I have to write a sentence, and I will say the difference is 25 degrees, okay? So the difference between the morning temperature and the afternoon temperature is 25 degrees. Well, our learning target for today was I can match thermometers to the corresponding temperature in numerical form. And you're going to do that as you play the game. So wonderful. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.